Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make a delicious meat log on the grill. Just stay with me. I'm using 1 onion, a handful of Italian parsley leaves, and chop it into small or fine pieces. See how fine that is? It's not a paste. Add that to 2 pounds ground meat, 30% fat, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half a tablespoon sea salt, and 1 tablespoon sumac. I'm using these long skewers. If you don't have them, you could just make a log and place it on the grill, or on the stove, just use a pan. First shape it into a ball and then put it on the skewers. I made 12 in total, and of course it depends how long you want it and how thick you want it. Now when you place it on the grill, you need every once in a while move them from side to side, turn them so they don't burn. Now testing time. It has lots of meat, fat, tomato paste, sumac. It's delicious.